Hi and welcome back. Let's learn how to easily reframe a photo on your iPhone running iOS 27 or later. iOS 27 brings a powerful new reframe feature to the Photos app, giving you a creative way to change the perspective of a photo after you have already taken it. Instead of simply cropping or rotating an image, reframe can just adjust apparent camera angle of a person or object while preserving the overall look of the scene. The feature combines special information captured by your iPhone with AI powered processing to understand the depth and positioning within the image. That's it. Let's get started. So, first you have to launch the Photos app on your iPhone. And then you have to head over to the image in question. Then you have to choose the Tools option. After that, you have to choose Reframe option. Then you have to tap on Reframe option again. It will instantly reframe the image, making the right adjustment to the person or object. And that's all there is to it. The all-new reframe feature in iOS 27 or later makes it easier to experiment with the perspective of your photos without having to retake the original shot. By combining special data captured when the photo was taken with AI-generated image processing, your iPhone can now adjust the angle of a subject and naturally reconstruct areas that are revealed during the edit. So whether you want to improve the composition, change the way a subject appears, or simply try a different perspective, Reframe offers a pretty convenient way to make these adjustments right inside the Photos app. Having said that, it's time to try out this all-new feature with some of your favorite photos and see how dramatically a new perspective can change the final image. And I'll catch you up in the next one.